Hello students, next continuation, that is halogenation, that is addition of halogen. Generally halogenation reactions are undergoes anti-addition reaction. So here we know that is this bond shifting towards right side. So we get one carbon getting negative charge, another carbon getting positive charge here. So what is the final product, that is CH3 CH, this Br and this is CH2Br. This is the product student. This is the anti-addition reaction. These two bromine opposite to each other. So generally halogenation in the presence of CCl4 undergoes anti-addition reaction. So we can write mechanism also student. That is one propane. This mechanism I am writing here mechanism. This CH3 CH double bond CH2. In first step is what happens student? In first step is bond breaking. So generally this double bonded compound, this double bonded carbon, beside is CH3 group is there. We know CH3 group. What is the role of CH3 group? The CH3 group is always electron releasing group. So we can write that is CH3 CH plus, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting a negative charge. Then after that here two bromines are there, Br, bromine, between one single bond is there, and here this each bromine having 7 electrons. Why? Because of bromine belongs to 7th group, it contains 7 electrons. So one electron from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this bromine also having 7 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in bromine having one single bond is there, the single bond having one electron, the single bond having complete 2 electrons. These 2 electron complete transfer only one side. These 2 electron complete transfer only one side. We get that is one bromine getting positive charge, that is bromonium ion. Another is bromine getting negative charge, that is bromide ion. This is called bromonium ion. This bromonium ion is called electrophile. It is called as electrophile, and bromide ion is called nucleophile. In first step in electrophilic addition reaction, in first step is first attacker is electrophile. This electrophile means this Br plus. This Br plus will attack always negative charge side. This Br minus will attacks always negative charge side. We get that is CH3 CH plus, then CH2. We can write that is Br. This Br having remaining 6 electrons are present, that means 3 lone pairs are present. So here this CH2 plus having one vacant p orbital is present. This CH2 plus having one vacant, like this, one vacant p orbital present. So here this vacant p orbital, that means this positive charge always attract the electron pair, So here this bromine having 3 lone pairs are there. So here this bromine donating one electron pair to this here, one electron pair to this CH2 plus, CH plus. This bromine donating one electron pair. This Br donating electron towards this CH plus. We get that is CH3 CH, then CH2, like this Br here plus charge, positive charge. So this name is called bromonium ion, that is cyclic bromonium ion. To form that is intermediate compound, that is stable compound is formed. This is a stable compound is formed, that is intermediate bromonium ion, that is cyclic bromonium ion is formed. This is cyclic bromonium ion formed. Here everything is octet, and this is also, now here this all are partially positive charge. We get all are partially positive charge, and remaining bromine also having remaining 2 lone pairs are present. This compound is called complete octet. Why? Because it is called as this complete octet. It is called as also known as, that is non-classical carbocation. It is called as non-classical carbocation. That is a stable carbocation. This is stable compound. Why? Because of all are octet. Why? Because of, now take the bromine. This bromine surrounding 8 electrons are present. This bromine surrounding here 2 electrons from here 2 electrons from here, 2 plus 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So everything is octet. So it is called as non-classical carbocation is formed. and after that here student, here this bromine electrons return to back, these bromine electrons return to back like this. This bromine electrons return, sorry, this bromine electron return to back means which electrons here, left side or bond or right side bond. This already will attack this bromine here, so this bond left side bond only. Yes, you remember student, that is two sides are bond, two sides are possible, two sides are bonds are there, which bond is more favorable, but is only left side bond only. Why? Because in first step is Br plus will attack this carbon, but don't shifting to right side carbon, right side bond, we shifting only left side bond. So this electron, this bromine electron will be returned to back. So here this carbon getting already, this carbon getting positive charge, this carbon getting positive charge, that means CH3 CH plus then CH2Br, CH2Br. So after that here student, that is remaining here Br minus is left, this Br minus is left, this Br minus is called as nucleophile. This nucleophile will attack always opposite to this bromine. Why? Because of here electron cloud is there, so that's why this Br minus will attack always upper side. This Br minus attacks always opposite to this bromine, so this bromine Br minus will attack always upper side. We get final product, that is CH3 CH Br then CH2Br. This is called, that is anti-addition reaction, that is 1,2 dibromopropane. So generally halogenation, addition of halogens or undergoes anti-addition reaction. Why? Because of if compound having lone pair of electrons are there, that compound will undergoes anti-addition reaction. So here this halogens having lone pair of electrons, so that's why it is always undergoes anti-addition reaction. Student, this is the simple trick student, that is one propane I give mechanism. In first step is bond breaking, we get that is bond shifting towards the right hand side, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge, and after that attack the electrophile, this Br2 having having the bromine in between, one single bond is there, this single bond towards shifting any side, we can write left to right or right to left. So this one bromine getting positive charge, another bromine getting negative charge. This bromine, the positive charge species is called electrophile. In electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is electrophile. This electrophile will attack always negative charge side. We get that is CH3 CH plus CH2Br. This compound will be formed. Then after that here this CH plus having one vacant p orbital is present. This vacant p orbital always attract the electrons, always electron pair attract the electron pair. So here this bromine having excess of electrons are there. So here this bromine having 3 lone pair of electrons. Out of these 3 lone pair of electron, 1 electron donating to CH plus, we get that is non-classical carbocation is formed, that is intermediate compound is formed, intermediate stable compound is formed, that is called non-classical carbocation. Non-classical carbocation means that is cyclic bromonium ion is formed, that is cyclic bromonium ion is formed. This cyclic bromonium ion is the all compound, all atoms are octet configuration, all are octet configuration, so that's why it is called non-classical carbocation. Classical carbocation already we discussed. Classical means without octet species is called non-classical. Now take the example CH3 plus. This CH3 plus it contains only 6 electron. This is CH3 plus having 6 electron. So it is called classical carbocation. Classical carbocation means less than 8 electrons. Less than 8 electrons are there, that compound is called as classical carbocation. Non-classical carbocation means, that is simply remember student, non-classical carbocation, that compound having, that carbocation having complete octet, means if this complex this intermediate complex is complete octet, CH3 and CH and CH2 and Br plus everything is octet. So that's why it is called as non-classical carbocation. Classical carbocation means less than 8 electrons are there, that species is called classical carbocation. Example CH3 plus. Then after that here student, that is these Br electrons, these bromine electrons return to back. This electron in this step here, bromine electron participating in the bonding. So that's why this Br electron return to back to form a CH3 CH plus then CH2Br. After that here this Br minus, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting positive charge. So here this Br minus will attack opposite to this bromine. So we get that is the final answer, that is CH2, final product is CH3 CHBr CH2Br, that is 1 comma 2 dibromopropane, it is 1 comma 2 dibromopropane, it is the chiral carbon. So it is the chiral carbon. So and this compound will undergo this compound will form dextro and levo compound will form, and a racemic mixture also form. In this compound racemic mixture also possible. This is the simple reaction. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. And one more thing, I hope this video is useful for you. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.